Abstract of Neonatal Resuscitation Training Device. In this video, we will introduce Neonatal Resuscitation Training Device. This product is a device that supports neonatal resuscitation simulation training, offering a low-cost and more practical training experience. The first 4 weeks of life as a newborn are considered the most fragile period in a person's life. Globally, the mortality rate of newborns under the age of 5 remains high. We strive to support the education of medical staff in developing countries, with the aim of saving as many babies as possible. The device enables high-quality neonatal resuscitation simulation training by integrating communication technology and IoT with conventional training mannequins and smartphones. By installing a dedicated application, Saving Baby, developed for smartphones and tablets, these devices can be used as a controller and a monitor to display vital signs. Connecting the controller to a Bluetooth stethoscope enables practical simulation training for neonatal resuscitation. When the trainer operates the vital data via the controller, trainees can listen to heart sounds on the training mannequin using a Bluetooth stethoscope. The monitor can display heart rate, SpO2, and ECG waveforms, and it can also play neonatal crying sounds, enabling trainees to experience conditions that closely resemble real-life situations.
My name is Dr. Julie. So I was the one who participated in the training. I feel like the most important thing in the training course is the equipment, because it's very helpful for us when we have a training course, because not just only in the video record, when we do the EMC, what we will hear from the patients, especially this one, we can also use with the computer, and it also feel like very real in the situation. That also can make us to understand how to do step by step and more confident when we do the resuscitation.
Past activities and future plans. As part of its social contribution efforts, ELECOM has provided devices free of charge to Laos, Mongolia, Nepal, Cambodia, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. To improve the quality of neonatal resuscitation training and increase the number of healthcare professionals proficient in neonatal resuscitation, we will continue to promote the spread of the neonatal resuscitation training device to more countries.